Hello everybody, today I want to talk to you about how to delete all friend requests at once. Is that possible or not? Not is possible, but not is too hard, okay? It's really fast. Let me show you how you can do that. Update your art feeds and you in your corner can you watch 3 lines and then friends. If you don't find friends here, scroll and find here, okay? Maybe if you have this, if your lobby look like this, you can touch in your see more and find here, touch in your friends and then in your friend request. Now touch in your corner in your 3 points, can you watch 3 points and view send request. Now when you are here, it's so easy, you just need touch in cancel request and this is all. Cancel request. It's so easy and really fast, okay? And with that you have, I need say you don't trust in another apps or extensions on Google or another weird apps, okay? Not is possible. Don't trust in that apps or in another videos that in the videos that people say, hey, trust me and download that app with my link in my description. It is so weird, okay? Don't trust him. This is all for this video. Have a good day and see you later.